Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm installing a wig. It's been a minute since I've said that. Wow. Anywho, we're back installing a wig and I'm quite a little bit obsessed with this unit. The color, this reddish brown, giving. Something I didn't even know I needed in my life was color hair. Brings out a certain spiciness out of me and I like it. Today's unit, as you guys saw from the title, we are installing a 13x6 unit, a Burmese curly unit, come from Beliana hair. Now, if you guys are interested in seeing how I got this install, make sure you keep on watching.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else love me like you do. That's why I'm spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand?
I think installing this wig is about to be easy. I did go ahead and add a little color to the lace to make sure that it blends into my skin. Yeah, see, that's one of those good fits that fits perfect. Ugh. Okay, now we just gotta fix it up. I did like minimum plucking right here at the top of the unit. Now what I'm going to do is spray a little bit of lace spray to hold the lace in place for my install. And then we're going to do about 2 to 3 styles. I'm thinking middle part, side part. The last one, I don't know, we'll try to get a little funky with it. I don't know what we gonna have, but we just gonna see what happens. But this color so far, I like it. I haven't worn color in so long. Like the closest I get to color is something that's a more blonde ash color. So having this tone of reddish orange right now, I'm feeling it. I like it.
Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do, it's me love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly, I can't deny. I got a crush on you, that's truly, I'm digging you, you make me believe. Your love is one in a million. You're on and on. You give me a really good feeling. Oh yeah, your love is one in a million. It goes on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away. Come chase beach views and then every day. All I wanna hear is an episode that we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Because you're away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. think I need you here. I swear it's time to keep these feelings to myself.
I think the water is gonna help it come back to life after the small like brush out and comb that I did to the top. We just gotta get it back into a state that we like it in. Drench the hair, but I want to make sure that it is moisturized. So this is water with a little bit of leave-in conditioner in it. You see how certain parts have these nice little coils at the end? I think that's really pretty, so I want to get it back there. How I'm going to do that is flexi rods.
It's not that I want you here, yeah. It's not the way you say it to my eyes. I know that I can make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist you. You get away, on trees, beach views, and everything. All I wanna do is in the pictures on replay. Still right next to you. You do. Try not to show how I feel about you. You wish you were, but we don't really want to. I just wanna get away and stay right next to you. You. I wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around. Around. I want you around.
So I have finished the install. Here is what the final looks look like. My go-to style is always a middle part. Again, I say love this color, love the curls. This is really pretty. I want to give y'all the specs on the unit, like the specifics. So I have the 13x6 lace front wig, so 13 inches across your forehead and then 6 inches back. And I went all the way back with my parting space, so you can see that it's 6 inches back now. This also is a high density unit, meaning that it has more hair, it looks more full, and that, shall I say, is definitely true. This is definitely a full wig. I do feel like I have a lot of hair on my head, but not overbearing. It is true to length, and it comes with a pre-cut lace, meaning you don't have to have like a full lace going across your whole forehead when you install it. They have pre-cut it a little bit. For all you have to do is just do a little bit of customization on your own with what you want to do, or you can wear it straight out of the packing like that. It's up to you. If you're able to blend it like that, then girl, do it. So this one is pre-plucked, also pre-bleached, so I don't have any dark knots. With the plucking, you get a natural hairline, but you can also go in and pluck it out some more where you need to or where you see fit. This is what my unit looks like up close. I want to make sure that y'all can see that. And of course, that drawstring in the back with the customizing of how the unit is built. I love that drawstring. It also has combs in it if you like to use combs, or you can remove them. It also has an elastic band that's adjustable, and you can remove that as well. But that drawstring method, that just got me because it makes it just feel so good and secure back here, y'all. Like my wig, she ain't going nowhere. I can wear this wig glueless, wear and go. I do not have any glue, but I do have spray. That's just a preference for me, but you don't have to use it if you don't want to. And you saw when I did my unboxing, it does come with double-sided tape. So if you don't want to use a spray, you can use that double-sided tape to hold your wig in place. Now, I did say I was going to show y'all some other styles, so I think I'm going to do a side part. And maybe, what's on my creativeness? What creative side can I pull out of this reddish brown hair? So it gives like a little sleek back look right there in the front, and then the rest of it just kind of falls over. It kind of gives almost headband type of look, but it looks sleek and clean, but you still keep your density. You keep your curls, it still looks nice and big. I like it. This is cute. Actually, this is really cute. And then like the back has this little ponytail situation going on, so I pulled the hair to the back, but it blends in with the back of the wig, so you can't even tell. But it just gives it like a cute little vibe. I like it. Thinking I was gonna make this into a side part, but I think I want it to be more of a flip over. This is the brush that came in the packaging, and I'm just going to give myself kind of like, not a brush over, I guess that's what you call it, right? Like a brush over, comb over. Thank y'all so much for watching today's video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Wow, that came back to me like easy. Bye y'all.